Hi, welcome to Miss Jessica's World. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. When you do that, you help my channel grow. You can also follow me on Instagram at Miss Jessica's World. Hi everyone, I'm Miss Jessica. Welcome to my world. Today we are going to make a craft, and that craft is an adorable, hungry little caterpillar. This is super simple and a lot of fun, and I'm so excited to make it with you. Okay, let's get started. What you'll need for this craft is a piece of green paper, some craft glue. I'm using tacky glue because it's easier to glue things that are made out of material or fabric with tacky glue, a green marker or a green crayon, 4 pom-poms, any color, 2 googly eyes, a hole punch, a pencil, and scissors. First, glue your pom-poms together to make the caterpillar's body. You can glue it in a straight line or in a little bit of a curve. I'm going to add a little curve in mine. Here's a fun fact. Caterpillars have over 4,000 muscles in their little bodies. Humans are estimated to have about 650 muscles. Wow, caterpillars are so muscular. And put that to the side to dry. Next, get your green piece of paper and fold it in half. Using your pencil, draw 1/2 of a leaf on the folded edge. And then, using your scissors, cut it out. And when you open it up, you'll have your leaf. Using your green marker, draw a straight line right down the middle. Now draw curved lines that start in the little dips of the leaves right here that connect to the center line, like this. Hey, now it really looks like a leaf. Next, get your hole punch and punch some holes in the leaf. And this is because your caterpillar is so hungry, it started eating some of the leaf. When your caterpillar body has dried, put some glue on the bottom of it. Then stick that carefully onto the center of the leaf. Next, grab your googly eyes and stick those on the top of the pom-pom you chose to be the head of your caterpillar. And then you'll have your hungry little caterpillar. And if you make another one, you'll have a family of hungry little caterpillars. Or maybe they're best friends. I love creating with you, so thank you so much for creating with me. I'm Miss Jessica, and I'll see you soon. Bye! I would love to see what you made. You can ask your grown-up to send a video or picture to me at my email at contact@missjessicasworld.com or on Instagram at Miss Jessica's World.
You can send fan mail to Miss Jessica's World at 1812 Burbank Boulevard, number 927, Burbank, California, 91506.